kickback. He show it really close. Yeah, that's a cool snail. Knock on this door, see if he's home. Go knock, knock. Hey, who's there?
Papa's got to show us how it's done.
Oh,
Nice.
Don't do any more.
All right. All right.
All right, Mike. Oh, really? This will get you views?
Husband gets axe murdered by his wife. Damn it.
I think. Ready?
His family sucks.
You want to drive home? Okay, I'm doing it.
I'm going home. Closest hat is the key. I think I'm just terrible, guys. It's okay. Hey!
Oh, you did it.
Now I'm gonna stop.
Axe throwing, scene 3.
Take 2.
Take 5. 253.
Oh, that was so close. It was so close.
Now?
Yeah. Like
Do you know how
total.
to do like editing? Cause
We'll zoom in on that one spot.
how is that? You just got a green.
I'll zoom in so that you can't even see the hand. Yeah.
Here.
Oh, Tinker.
Get by the fire. Feel how warm it is. Oh, does that feel better?
You in the smoke? Come over here, bud.
Oh, yeah, you did. Shoot to kill you.
Great.
Or Eli, he won't care.
Yeah, okay, right. Dust it off.
I like that butter.
Yeah, I wasn't sure if they were trying to play like a dementia thing at the end.
Doesn't matter that there's children's screen.
That's so cool, baby. A flat circle. Amazing. What a challenge.
Really have a flat surface to work with.
Really far? I know.
Don't get any
You are
closer.
a little too close though, bud.
There you go.
Some positive that I'm not just a goof.